Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix peak crashing on launch after resolution change in a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Reset resolution in config file. First, find Peak's config file. On Windows, go to %ap data polard subpeak polard /saved polard configuration /Windows. Open GameUserSettings.ini in Notepad. Look for resolution size X and resolution size Y. Then set them to a safe value like 1920 and 1080. Save the file and relaunch the game. Step 2. Launch in windowed mode. If that doesn't work, force the game into windowed mode. In the same GameUserSettings.ini file, find full screen mode and set it to 1. Save, then try launching Peak again. This often stops crashes caused by resolution issues. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Still crashing? Update your graphics drivers. For NVIDIA or AMD, visit their official sites or use their app to download the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can cause crashes, especially after resolution changes. That's it. These steps should fix peak crashing on launch. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.